World Cancer Day is observed on 4th February every year across the world. World Cancer Day was established in the year 2000 at the World Cancer Summit held in Paris. World Cancer Day is led by the Union for International Cancer Control, which is a non-government organization. The primary motive of the universal observance of World Cancer Day is to educate the world about cancer, its causes, its cure, and prevention. World Cancer Day is marked by the international cancer community, governments, and individuals around the world. Several landmarks observe the day by taking part in the lighting events. Buildings are lit up with orange and blue lights in support of World Cancer Day. Every year, the Union for International Cancer Control decides the theme of the day, which are inspiring and encouraging. Variety of events and activities such as rallies, seminars, health camps, and more are observed on World Cancer Day. On World Cancer Day, new strategies are planned as well as implemented to fight cancer and also provide moral support to cancer patients. We must also be a part of the observance of World Cancer Day in whichever way possible, as it is a prestigious and vital day in the calendar of humanity.